Reliability in a vehicle isn't just about fewer trips to the mechanic. It's about peace of mind, knowing your ride can handle the miles and still deliver top-notch performance. Imagine driving through rough terrains or going on long road trips without worrying about breakdowns. Let's take a look at the 10 most reliable SUVs of all time. Number 10. Subaru Outback. When it comes to reliability, the Subaru Outback consistently ranks high. Known for its rugged durability and long-lasting performance, the Outback is a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts and families alike. The Subaru Outback's reliability is backed by its symmetrical all-wheel drive system, which offers excellent traction and stability. Additionally, it boasts a high reliability score in consumer reports, consistently earning praise for its durability. Its robust construction ensures it can handle tough terrains and adverse weather conditions. Owners of the Subaru Outback rave about its longevity and low maintenance costs. Many report driving their Outbacks well over 200,000 miles without significant issues. The Outback combines a comfortable and spacious interior with a rugged exterior designed to withstand the elements. Under the hood, it features a reliable 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that provides a smooth and efficient ride, perfect for both city driving and off-road adventures. Number 9. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander is renowned for its exceptional reliability and solid performance. It's a popular choice for families due to its spacious interior and smooth ride. The Highlander is built with high-quality materials and has a strong track record for durability. It often receives top marks in reliability from sources like J.D. Power and Consumer Reports. Additionally, the Highlander's advanced safety features contribute significantly to its reliability ratings. Owners frequently highlight the Highlander's longevity, with many reporting over 200,000 miles with minimal issues. The 2017-2019 models are especially praised for their reliability and user satisfaction. The Highlander offers a roomy interior with 3 rows of seats, making it perfect for larger families. The exterior is sleek and modern, while under the hood, it typically features a robust V6 engine that balances power and efficiency. Its safety features and infotainment system are well regarded, and the spacious cargo area ensures a pleasant driving experience for all passengers. Number 8. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is a staple in the compact SUV market, known for its outstanding reliability and practicality. It's a favorite among commuters and small families. The CR-V is praised for its robust build and consistent performance. It frequently ranks high in reliability surveys by J.D. Power and Consumer Reports thanks to its low maintenance needs and longevity. Owners often highlight the CR-V's ability to exceed 200,000 miles with minimal issues. The 2013 and 2016 models are especially noted for their reliability and owner satisfaction, with many users commending their durability and fuel efficiency. The CR-V offers a spacious and comfortable interior with ample cargo space, making it perfect for daily use and road trips. The exterior features a sleek and modern design. Under the hood, the CR-V typically comes with a reliable and efficient 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine that balances power and fuel economy. Number 7. Lexus RX 350. The Lexus RX 350 is synonymous with luxury and reliability. It's a standout in the luxury SUV market, offering comfort and consistent performance. The RX 350 is built with high-quality materials and precision engineering, ensuring long-term durability. It often receives top marks in reliability from J.D. Power and Consumer Reports. Owners frequently highlight the RX 350's smooth ride and low maintenance costs. Many report driving their RX 350s over 200,000 miles with minimal issues. The RX 350 features a luxurious interior with premium materials and advanced technology. The exterior is sleek and elegant, reflecting its luxury status. Under the hood, it typically comes with a robust V6 engine that provides a powerful yet smooth driving experience. Its advanced safety features and infotainment system further enhance its appeal. Number 6. Mazda CX5. The Mazda CX5 stands out for its combination of reliability, sporty handling, and stylish design. It's a top choice among compact SUVs for those who enjoy a dynamic driving experience. The CX5 is known for its solid build quality and dependable performance. It consistently ranks high in reliability surveys from J.D. Power and Consumer Reports. The 2017, 2020, and 2021-2023 models are are especially notable for their strong reliability records. Owners often praise the CX5 for its longevity and low maintenance costs. Many report driving their CX5s well over 150,000 miles with few issues. The CX5 features a premium interior with high-quality materials and a driver-focused design. Its sleek and sporty exterior sets it apart from other compact SUVs. Under the hood, it typically offers a reliable 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a good balance of power and fuel efficiency. Advanced safety features and a user-friendly infotainment system further enhance its appeal. Number 5. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser is celebrated for its unparalleled reliability and rugged performance. It's an excellent choice for off-road enthusiasts and those seeking a durable vehicle. The Land Cruiser is known for its robust construction and advanced engineering, consistently earning high marks in reliability surveys. Owners frequently highlight the Land Cruiser's ability to exceed 300,000 miles with minimal issues. The Land Cruiser features a luxurious and spacious interior with high-quality materials, making long journeys comfortable. The exterior is rugged and designed for tough terrains. Under the hood, it typically comes with a powerful V8 engine that delivers excellent performance both on and off the road. Advanced safety features and a premium infotainment system further enhance its appeal. Number 4. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot is renowned for its reliability, spaciousness, and family-friendly features. It's a top choice for those needing a dependable and versatile SUV. The Pilot boasts a strong reputation for reliability, often ranking highly in J.D. Power and Consumer Reports surveys. Owners frequently report that their Pilots exceed 200,000 miles with minimal issues. The Pilot features a spacious interior with 3 rows of seating, making it ideal for larger families. The exterior is both sleek and functional. Under the hood, it typically comes with a powerful V6 engine that provides excellent performance and efficiency. Advanced safety features and a user-friendly infotainment system further enhance its appeal. Number 3. Chevrolet Suburban. The Chevrolet Suburban is a classic choice for those needing a reliable, spacious, and powerful SUV. It's known for its durability and capacity to handle heavy-duty tasks. The Suburban is built to last, with a strong frame and reliable components. It often receives high marks in reliability surveys from sources like J.D. Power and Consumer Reports. Owners frequently report that their Suburbans can easily surpass 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. The Suburban offers a spacious interior with 3 rows of seating and ample cargo space, making it ideal for large families and road trips. The exterior is rugged and stylish. Under the hood, it typically features a powerful V8 engine that provides excellent towing capacity and performance. Advanced safety features and an intuitive infotainment system enhance its appeal. Number 2. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner is known for its exceptional reliability and off-road capability. It's a top choice for adventure seekers and those needing a robust SUV. The 4Runner is built to endure tough conditions with a strong frame and reliable components. It consistently receives high marks in reliability surveys from J.D. Power and Consumer Reports. Owners often report that their 4Runners can exceed 300,000 miles with minimal issues. The 4Runner features a rugged exterior designed for off-road adventures, while the interior offers comfort and practicality. It typically comes with a powerful V6 engine that delivers excellent performance both on and off the road. Advanced safety features and a user-friendly infotainment system enhance its overall appeal. Number 1. Lexus GX460. The Lexus GX460 is celebrated for its exceptional reliability and luxurious features. It's a top choice for those needing a dependable and versatile SUV with off-road capabilities. The GX460 is built with high-quality materials and precision engineering, ensuring long-term durability. It often receives top marks in reliability from J.D. Power and Consumer Reports. Owners frequently highlight the GX460's smooth ride and low maintenance costs. Many report driving their GX460s over 200,000 miles with minimal issues. The GX460 features a luxurious interior with premium materials and advanced technology. The exterior is rugged yet elegant, reflecting its luxury status. Under the hood, it typically comes with a powerful V8 engine that provides excellent performance both on and off the road. Its advanced safety features and premium infotainment system further enhance its appeal. If you enjoyed this countdown, make sure to check out my other videos for more automotive content. See you in the next video.